Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Monday and Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. If you've already seen my most recent luxury shopping vlog from Edinburgh, you already know that I've treated myself with a tiny little something from Louis Vuitton. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to leave the link below in the description box. I wasn't planning to buy anything on that day. My main goal was to check out new autumn-winter bags. And then my sales assistant Miki in Louis Vuitton was so good. She was absolutely amazing and so helpful that I didn't want to leave the shop empty-handed. Plus, this particular item was on my mind for some time. So I wouldn't call that 100% impulse buy, probably a semi-impulse buy. I haven't opened it yet since I got it in the boutique, so today it's going to be a proper unboxing. And without further ado, let's have a look what we have in the bag. And we will start as usual with a little receipt in a tiny little Louis Vuitton envelope. We have that just a normal physical receipt here, just to let you know that, I will let you know that at the end how much this item is in Edinburgh, where I purchased that in the UK, so you know what it is and how much it is. But then what else do we have? There's a tiny little item, but before I reveal a tiny little item, I will reveal another tiny little things. It's a sample for the Louis Vuitton perfume. We have Pacific Chill. I haven't tried that one. What do you think about this one? And this one, a Trip River. I hope I'm saying that correct. My French is really, really bad. So I'm going to try them out. I love Louis Vuitton perfume. My favorite is California Dream. Wow, it's a good one. If my husband didn't hate perfume so much, I would probably buy the full range of Louis Vuitton perfumes. And then we have this. Look how pretty it is, this tiny little box and this packaging. Louis Vuitton is always so good with the packaging. We have a tiny little envelope here as well. Ta-da! I'm just going to check if it's anything there. No, it's just empty. But I believe you can leave a little note if you order this kind of things as a gift. So that's a really good and thoughtful idea. Do we have anything else there? No, that's just the envelope. Let's open this. I'm going to reveal that to the camera. Here we go. Remove this and that. And that's one of the things that I love about Louis Vuitton packaging so much. You know, it's not your regular, like a box when you open up like that, you know what I mean? Or when you open it like with a magnetic tiny little closure here. Here we have a little sliding part. Ooh, voila, slide it up. And my tiny little item is asking to be revealed, just jumping out of the box just to get shown on this camera. Here we have a little pouch, Louis Vuitton dust pouch envelope, and voila. Bum, 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 bum. Come on, you're sitting too tight in there, my little friend. Just come out. Here we go. We've got here Louis Vuitton pouch in Empreinte Leather with a contrast monogram. Ta-da! We've got a little zipper there, and then we have a little hook for keys over here as well. Isn't it gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. As I mentioned before, I was eyeing for this tiny little beauty Louis Vuitton key pouch for some time. I was in between a key holder. There are two options for 6 and the 4 keys and the key pouch. And my main choice was Empreinte leather. And I also wanted a contrast empreinte leather so I could easily find that inside my bag, regardless if it's a small or a tiny bag. I'm so happy with this multifunctional, practical thing. I love the idea that empreinte leather is very durable and it will last me for ages. And as I said, I love that it's in a contrast monogram because I could easily find that in my bag. It has this thingy, tiny little fixture for your keys, and I like that this thing, although it's small, it's mighty. Let's have a look in my massive set of keys. Would it fit? It looks like it wouldn't, but it easily would. Okay, oh, we found this. Louis Vuitton. Tiny a little picture there. It's not the easiest thing to get it in there, but it's still, it would fit. The key holder wouldn't. I tried that on. That's what we were doing in the shop with Mickey the other day. Here we go. Yes, I can do that. And you've seen how massive my key is. Then what else can we do there? Can we put some coins? Yeah, easily. We have a zipped closure to keep all our coins secure. Folded bills, notes, no problem at all. But then what about to use that as a AirPods pouch? Let's have a look. Voila. Easily. And same thing for the newer generation of the AirPods. We know that they are slightly wider. You can see that they could easily would fit in there as well. And then card holder. Can we use that as a card holder? I've got a couple of cards here that I'm going to pull out of my current Saint Laurent polka dot card holder. And yeah, that's perfect. As you can see, the card could easily go in there too. Boom. I'm going to try and put all my cards in there, what I have just now. So we have quite a few there. I'm going to count how many we have as well. That's it. Emptied that little thing. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in there, and including this one, 11. So 11 cards easily go in there. And I would say we could increase that to the 15 and it wouldn't be no problem at all. Zip it up. It's such a multifunctional thing, and I'm surprised how mighty it is. And then the thing was, when I was just like, oh, or maybe should I, because I was considering empreinte leather, contrast empreinte leather card holder. It looked gorgeous. And I was also considering a new card holder with extra charms. But when I realized that I can use this little thing as a charm on one of my bags, wearing it like this, hanging out there is a tiny little charm, that was a final decision. That was a deal breaker. I'm like, done. Pack this one for me. I'm leaving Louis Vuitton boutique with this tiny little key pouch. But you would ask me, Maria, you always say that you don't like charms or any extra things on your bags. How does it follow with what you just said, that you are going to use that as a tiny little bag charm? And I would say, guys, it's a very fair question. But I think I'm changing my mind now. I think I'm trying to move from that area, oh, I'm not accessorizing or customizing my bag. This trend to add little charms, twillies on your bag is winning me over. I'm not 100% there, but just the thought that I can add, for example, Louis Vuitton Key Pouch as a charm to my bag is winning me over. It's getting there. So don't be surprised, please don't be surprised, and don't push that on me that when I'm going to introduce you my new accessories and the charms for the bags, and I'm going to use them in my reviews. I also promised to tell you how much this one retails for in the UK. So we're coming back into the bill, and let's check on the receipt how much it was. It's going to be a surprise for my husband too. He is also sitting there in anticipation, and the full price came up to £350 and 10 pence. There are extra 10p charge in the UK for the bag, so we always pay. We never get our bags for free. We'll always pay extra for them to help the environment. And I've been told in Louis Vuitton Boutique that in Scotland they donate all that money, 10p, not much, but still every little helps. They donate that to plant the trees around Scotland. Really nice cause. So I don't mind to pay 10p for this beautiful bag. So overall price for the purchase was £350 and 10p, which makes this tiny little thing exactly £350. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. If you want me to do the full detailed review of Louis Vuitton Key Pouch with a proper close-ups and a proper what fits test, please leave your comments below. I would be happy to do that. And before you go, please hit thumbs up, subscribe button, notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!